This is pretty insane. $91 EPC, $86 EPC, $105 EPC. They're making on average $105 per click. What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we are talking about ShareASale, which is an awesome affiliate network where you can promote a lot of different products that really don't exist in other networks. And so we're gonna have a full walkthrough. I'm gonna show you what kind of products you can promote. I'm gonna show you a product that I'm promoting, and I'm also gonna show you how you can promote this specific product or other products as well. And so here we are in ShareASale. In my opinion, ShareASale is probably one of the most kind of legitimate, one of the most real affiliate networks. As we know, affiliate marketing, there's a lot of really good things and there's a lot of shady things that's happening. And there's a lot of offers you're gonna find on all kinds of networks that are probably not the most reputable. And ShareASale is really one of the most legitimate, I would say, when it comes to that, because look what kind of offers you can promote. There's a lot of offers that having to do with the house, house stuff. There's a lot of clothing. There's a lot of really great brands like MyFICO. There's Studio Press, which is WordPress themes. You're gonna get 35% commission. And so you have a lot of things that you really can't find in ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. It's completely different. A lot of it is really for consumers, whereas a lot of the other networks are for businesses, entrepreneurs. This is for consumers. And so we have fashion merchants you can basically check out. There's the Teespring you can promote. You have a lot of these things. There's a lot of brands that are very reputable brands. You could promote swimsuits if you want, things like that. We can go into green merchants and see what they have here. Back to school, right? So this is a really nice network, and as a result, they're really reputable companies that are here, right? So if we go to business merchants, you're gonna see here is Studio Press. They make really nice themes. FreshBooks, Cloud Accounting, really nice, real kind of offers. Offers that you're not gonna be embarrassed showing to your friends that you're promoting. None of this kind of shady and really random offers. So you have a lot of cool offers you can promote. You can go into art, music, family and kids, food and drink, education, wedding, sports and weddings, family. There's a lot of really awesome offers. So maybe right now you're thinking, okay, I'm not sure what to promote, but you should still look into it because, for instance, Studio Press is a really nice one. That's an entrepreneur type product, right? These are premium WordPress themes that you can promote to, in any kind of like a make money online niche. This is something similar to Envato that I talked about in some of the Max Bounty videos. But there's a lot of offers. There's Reebok here. Where else are you gonna find these big brands? Supplements you're gonna find. So if we click on this particular brand you want to promote, all you need to do is you basically need to agree to this and join the program. Now it's optional. Tell us about your promotional methods. You have to agree to the agreement. They have some other kind of some information here, but that is all you have to do. It's very simple. And so in order to be accepted into ShareASale itself, all you need to do is basically sign up as an affiliate. You're gonna see that on the main page, and you need to basically fill out this form. And it's very direct. It's very real. This is actually one of the simplest ways to get accepted into affiliate program. There's, Max Bounty, they have a call, Skype, all this, a lot of things. But here it's very direct. There's no problems. And once you're actually logged in, once you actually approved and you're logged in, you have your own account. Once you actually go and apply for a program, you're gonna be in the screen and you're gonna be viewing, you're gonna be seeing the programs that you're accepted to. So here I have one of the services that I'm promoting right now on some of my other sites, and I'm gonna show you later in the video how you can do the same if that's kind of what's up your alley. And this is nomadic.com, and they basically make gear, travel gear, right? I love travel. Travel is a great thing, and they promote travel gear. We have 15% sale. You're gonna see, obviously with any offer, you're gonna have different sales tiers. Sometimes it's gonna be 50%. With Studio Press, I think we saw that was 35%. Here we have 15%. So this is more than Amazon, which is like less than 5% or like 3%. I think you're gonna get on clothing, 3 or 4%. So this is 15%, but obviously you can't really expect to get, you know, 95% or 75%, something you're going to get on ClickBank, simply because, you know, it costs them to make this. This is a physical product. And for physical products, it's not very common to get a very high bounty. It's like, you know, compare it with Amazon, right? On Amazon, you're going to get less than 5%. Here you have 15%. And you can basically click on this and you'll be able to get various links. And so we have text links, we have banners that we can promote. Look at all these banners, right? This is actually a nomadic bag. And this is actually a very popular bag with kind of travelers, people into photography, videography. If you're familiar with Peter McKinnon's YouTube channel, he's also an avid user of this bag. In fact, they actually created a special bag just for him. It's called the Peter McKinnon Bag. And Peter McKinnon is a very famous photographer, videographer. I think he has like 4 to 5 million subscribers on YouTube. So he's pretty big there. And so he actually partnered with them. And this is a very, very high quality. This is a very well-known bag. It's a very high quality bag. And they have a lot of stuff that you can promote, right? We have text links, and you have various text links, you know, get 50%. They're actually telling you the description, right? Here's the bag I was talking about, the highly anticipated Mckinnon camera 35-liter bag you can promote. You can create a custom link as well. You can basically paste the URL and you're gonna create a custom link, deals and coupons. There's all kinds of deals, right? So it's a very, very nice network. They make things very easy for affiliates, right? As opposed to some of the other network where it's like a pain to get approved. It's a pain to be accepted. It's a pain getting this kind of affiliate stuff that you can basically use. Whereas here it's fairly simple, right? And so this is what you're going to be seeing. And then once you're in this kind of the merchant screen, right, you can basically learn if you want to promote. These are all the categories. You can pretty much go into accessories. They have accessories that you can promote. And so if we click on accessories, you have sense of style, you have this, you have that. You're gonna see a lot of like big brands here and there that you're not gonna see anywhere. You're not gonna see them, you know, on Max Bounty or something like that, right? So this is a little bit more upscale. It's a little bit more elegant affiliate program, and they have really cool stuff, right? They have watches that you can promote, 8 per sale, 1000% rank, and you have earnings per click, $9, $26 earnings per click. Mom agenda, and this could be good for, you know, Mother's Day, all kinds of Mother's Day campaigns. Mineral hygienics, we have 10 to 15%, right? So you can basically scroll around here. We can go, let's say we go into automotive. I wanna look at some categories with you real quick, and then I'm gonna show you some ways of promoting, right? So we have automotive, 4% for sale, 10%. We can basically sort this by 30-day EPC, sale commission, lead commission, all kinds of interesting things. So if you've been doing affiliate marketing, none of this should be a surprise to you. You should know how this works. We're just basically looking at a screen and we're basically looking at what's working, right? The power rank, this is their popularity. We have the EPC. Look at this, $48 EPC. This is pretty insane. $91 EPC, $86 EPC, $105 EPC. That means on average that the traffic they're getting, they're making on average $105 per click. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video and you want to see more videos such as this one, all I ask is that you smash the like button to let me know that you want more videos such as this one. If I see 100 or more likes, I'm going to be making similar videos for absolutely free. Thanks so much for watching this video, and now we return back to the presentation. This is on average. This is where EPC stands for earnings per click. Let's go into the business category and see what we have here. So here's the business category, and we have FreshBooks. This is a very well-known brand. They're paying $110 per sale. So it's not just physical products. You can promote software products, right? They're saying this is a $206 EPC, 7-day EPC. Where else have you seen something like this? Business products, $222 EPC, $331 EPC. Insane. How about this one? I don't even know. Zen Business, almost $3,000 EPC, 448 EPC, right? There's a lot of interesting products. And as you can expect, when it comes to software, simply because it doesn't cost them to create another product, their marginal costs are zero pretty much, right? To create an additional copy, they have very high margins, right? They have very high margins and they can pass those margins up to you. So you have smallware, you have clothing, you have career employment. You have a lot of really categories. You have travel. We can go into travel and see what they have here. And so it's not just clothing. There's a lot of big brands. You can promote tours. You can promote all kinds of interesting things happening, right? And now let's talk about some ways that you want to promote it, right? So this nomadic offer, right? So if I go back to this nomadic, right? Nomadic.com. This is the one I wanted to promote. And the reason I chose this offer to promote is that I'm also in the travel niche. And I can basically promote this kind of offer over here to people that are interested in traveling, okay? Because people that want to travel, there's an audience of people that don't really, money is not an issue for them. I'm not in the backpacking niche. I'm more in the upscale kind of traveling niche, right? It's called the flashpacker. So a backpacker is somebody who travels like on pennies, travels on the cheap. Flashpacker is somebody who travels like with money that they're not really... They don't need to spend, $5 a night in some cheap hostel or anything like that. And so the thing I like about it is it doesn't have very, very high competition. And the EPC is fairly good. 15% is fine with me. And there's program keywords and you can get your links. And the other really thing I like about ShareASale that I just hit me is that you have a very close relationship with the affiliate manager. I get emails from my affiliate manager all the time. She basically tells me, hey, we just got this Mckinnon bag. You should promote it. We're having the sale. It's a very, very nice relationship. And I'm not like some really, I sell for them, but I'm not like this, like one of their top tier affiliates or anything like that. But still, we have a very close relationship. She lets me know what's new is happening. Once they get new banners, links, things like that, new kind of resources, affiliate resources, she lets me know. So that's really good. So if you had problems with your affiliates on some of the other networks, I can assure you that it's a lot better here. And so you can basically get approved. You're going to get links and you'll be able to approve it. Here's the website, right? This is the site where I'm basically promoting. So here's the Mckinnon camera bag. And this is $400, right? So this is not cheap products here, right? This is not some $30 bag, right? And if you're getting 15% of this, that is going to be $60, okay? So you're going to be making $60 from each sale, okay? So it's not a bad deal, right? Even though it's $15, the reason I chose this is because they have fairly expensive bags, right? This is a $400 bag, and you can basically scroll around. You have camera. This is actually Peter McKinnon's graphic, and you can basically take a look. You need camera bags. This is his bag. This is the cube. So if you're promoting this, you're getting $60. If you're promoting something else, you could do that. Here's a $500 bag, and you're going to be making $75 from this. So it's not a bad deal at all, right? It's not a bad deal at all, right? Here's Peter McKinnon. And so they have their own affiliate program, but it's going to redirect you to ShareASale. They have a link here, but they're doing it through ShareASale. And so that is the way you do it. Now, let me show you some ways that you can promote it, okay? So here's a site called The Broke Backpacker. This is a pretty good travel site. It's obviously focused on backpacking, traveling, things like that. And they have a review here, the Brutally Honest Nomadic Travel Bag Review 2020. And it's a brutally honest review. And they're basically talking about it. Quick answers. This is a really good site. You should actually check out the site. I'm not affiliated with this site. I'm not affiliated at all. I just like the site. And you can basically browse. And this is a review article, right? So all of this is a link. This is a ShareASale link. They're also in this ShareASale program. And so you can basically promote this kind of content. You can create this review content. You can create a site. I'm not going to show you how to do that because that's going to be in another video. And if you want to see a video, like a case study of me doing it, how to promote it exactly, some really good ways of promoting ShareASale stuff, smash that like button. I want to see a lot of likes. And if I see a lot of likes, I'm going to be making another video. So here's the affiliate link. You can scroll down. You're going to see this link a couple of other times. They actually have a video review. If you scroll down, here's another link, right? And this is a long review. And their goal is basically to get ranked on Google. They want to be highly ranked on Google. And if they're ranked on Google, obviously they're gonna, they're gonna get some free traffic. And that is something I'm gonna talk about to do it. Here's another example on the same site of how to promote that product. 8 best business travel backpacks of 2020. And so in the title, they're not talking about this backpack. They're basically comparing and contrasting different backpacks. And so obviously one of them is going to be a nomadic. Nomadic is The number one, right? Number one. And let's see. So obviously we know that this particular backpack is an affiliate, right? This is an affiliate link. So obviously this is going to be a ShareASale link, as you can see. Now let's scroll down and let's see if they are promoting some of the other ones. And this one is not an affiliate link. This one is an affiliate link. So there, here's back to Nomadic. We can scroll down. This is Nomadic. And this is also, this is another program on ShareASale as well. So they're a big affiliates of ShareASale, right? We have this other Arcido, I don't know how to pronounce that. Timbuktu Spire backpack, and these are all affiliate links, right? Some are ShareASale, some are something else. And so these this is kind of the way you want to promote it. You're gonna have a review article. This is just one way. There's a lot of other ways to promote it. And the other thing about ShareASale that I really like, it's a very legitimate affiliate network, right? Affiliate marketing is legitimate, but what gives it a bad name is a lot of these shady offers that you know, they promise you the sky, you know, make $1,000 in 1 hour, or make $1,000 tomorrow, or something like this, something crazy. And they have a lot of scammy offers and scammy things, and that gives affiliate marketing a bad name. But affiliate marketing is used by everybody. eBay has its own program. You know, Bed Bath & Beyond. You can find Bed Bath & Beyond, which is a very famous kind of household bed and kind of bedding chain in the United States. You can find it on this program. So it's a very good program. It's a very easygoing program. And the other thing about this program is that it's a lot easier to promote these offers on places like Google Ads, Facebook, YouTube ads, etc., that don't really like some of the lesser credible affiliate networks, right? So there's a lot of interesting things you can promote here. And it's not, like I said, it's not just clothing, right? You can basically go here and you can go into green, health, home and garden, right? There's a lot of really good offers. And you can basically promote, you can basically show, you can join the program. They're a lot more open than some of the other networks, right? And so I'm gonna make another video that talks about specific promotion methods. If you're interested, maybe we'll do offer selection, but I wanna see you guys liking it. Leave a comment below if this is something you want me to talk about more. This is a really, really cool program. This is a great program. So leave a comment below, smash the like button. I wanna see at least 100, 150 likes on this video, just to understand that this is something you guys want to see more of. Because, you know, there's nothing wrong with having variety, right? There's nothing bad about diversifying your efforts, right? It's not only about one particular network, right? It's also a good idea to kind of diversify. And this is what I'm doing. This is what I recommend you guys do as well. All right, guys, so this is all I wanted to talk about in this particular video. Like I said before, I will make future videos if you guys are interested. So leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to make future videos. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell. I want to see you guys subscribe. I want to see you guys liking the video, leaving your comment. Let me know what is going on, and I will make more videos talking about this. All right, guys, so this is all I wanted to talk about today. Really appreciate you guys watching it, and I will see you tomorrow in a new video.